Said forever like it was easy to say. Wrote it in the sky on a summer's day. I carved your promise right into my chest. Now I'm pulling splinters out, trying to forget the rest. We had a language only we could speak, but you turned every vowel into something weak. I held the map you drew with your own hand, led me to the ocean, then you sank the sand. This is the sound of a promise breaking, the quiet after all the quaking. You said you'd stay, you said you'd fight, then you disappeared into the night. Now I'm dancing with your ghost in every room, singing lullabies to the love that went too soon. A broken promise is a loaded gun, and I'm still bleeding from the damage done. Remember the night you swore on every star. I believed you, didn't think it'd leave a scar. You built a cathedral inside my mind, then you burned it down and left the ashes behind. I found the letters where the ink had dried. Every always was a place you lied. I wore your words like armor, like a crown. Now I'm picking up the pieces that you left scattered around. This is the sound of a promise breaking, the quiet after all the quaking. You said you'd stay, you said you'd fight, then you disappeared into the night. Now I'm dancing with your ghost in every room, singing lullabies to the love that went too soon. A broken promise is a loaded gun, and I'm still bleeding from the damage done. Maybe forgiveness is a bridge I'll cross alone. Maybe the only promise I need is my own. You told me that forever is a borrowed word, and the sweetest things I ever heard were just the wind passing through hollow trees. Beautiful, but never meant to stay with me. Me finally waking from the dream you left forsaken. You said you'd stay, but you were wrong, and I'm still here, I'm still this strong. No more dancing with your ghost in empty rooms. I'm writing new songs, I'm breaking old tunes. A broken promise taught me how to run, not away from love, but toward the sun. You said forever, you said forever, but forever was just the weather, changing like you always do.